Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about the past particles, which is used as adjectives in Spanish. And they describe the condition or state of a person or thing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to form them, how they work, and make them agree in gender and number. So let's go. So what is a past particle? A past particle is a verb form that often ends in ADO or IDO, kind of like ADO or IDO. And in Spanish, past particles are also used in perfect tenses. For example, he comido, I have eaten. But in today's lesson, we're focusing on a different past particle as adjectives. That means they describe nouns, just like regular adjectives. Some examples in English are the window is closed and the book is finished. Those are just like examples that we can use. But in Spanish, we pretty much do the same thing as that, but with one important rule. When a past particle is used as an adjective, it must agree with the noun in gender and number. So the endings change to ado, ada, ados, adas, and ido, ida, idos, and idas. Some examples that we can do in Spanish are la puerta está cerrada, which means the door is closed. We can do las puertas están cerradas, which means they are closed. It's feminine plural. We can do el libro está perdido, the book is lost. And then los libros están perdidos, which means the books are lost. So how to form a past particle. The rules are pretty simple. I mean, it's not too complex. For an AR verb, you drop the AR, add ado. So examples in Spanish would be hablar to hablado, cerrar to cerrado, preparar to preparado. For ER and IR verbs, drop the ending to ido, so IDO. So some examples of that would be comer to comido, abrir to abierto. Abrir is irregular, so you would change it to IE, you would flip the I to IE. And then escribir to escrito, which is also regular, and you would change the ending to ito instead of ido. There's a bunch of irregular verbs that are like that. And some more Spanish examples. La comida está preparada, which is the food is prepared. Los documentos están escritos, which is the documents are written. Las ventanas están abiertas, which is the windows are open. And then el teléfono está roto, the phone is broken. Roto is another irregular that you switch. For the irregulars, you have to memorize each ending. There's no trick you can do. So when do we use past particles as adjectives? We use them when we want to describe the state of something, the condition of something, and how something ended up. Usually we use the verb estar with them because we're describing a temporary state or condition resulting from an action. So some examples would be the window is open because someone opened it, and the homework is written because you wrote it. But the focus isn't on the action, it's on the state of the object. And then some final practice examples. It would be la mesa está puesta, el proyecto está terminado, las cartas están enviadas, and los niños están confundidos. So that's it. Past particles used as adjectives are simple once you remember that they must agree in gender and number with the nouns they describe. They're incredibly common in everyday Spanish, and now you can use them confidently. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.